like instead of that, there's like a child that needs food. Now we have a Topslot of 10. Yes, we do. Let's go!
10x and a cash out of Topslot. From the Topslot. Right here it is. And all the multipliers. Multiplied by the 10x as a result today.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Well, where are the Oompa Loompa? I'm right here. Oompa Loompa. I've got a bonus round waiting for you. Oompa Loompa, Oompa Loompa. It better be with the Topslot now. Right, we're going back to crazy? Yes, we are. Let's go to crazy time. Here we go, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy time. Hola, let's go. Hello there. So, picking time, green, blue, or yellow flapper. Highest multiply 100x, enjoy your time. Good luck to y'all. Is that a double on the green once again? Oh my. Now green is a very lucky color today, isn't it? Yes, indeed. All right, slap that on the wheel. Now we got ourselves a 200x highest. Enjoy your time. Anyone deja vu here?
This is the amount of money issued 315,388 euros.
$1,351 of you with 100x on the green. 5,689 winners. That's done. Edu, congrats with a spicy top win. Absolute lovely money indeed. Let's go. Welcome to crazy time. Auto plays available. Topslot for 50x on any single segment. Good luck. Instead of thanking me, guys, just a reminder, I have...
Hello, my lady. Yo, make sure to shout out to Nina. You found me at last. I cannot believe it. I tried to run, but I couldn't hide. All right, guys, new round. Let's go. Cash hunt with a 7x, slowing down. Woo! Come on, baby. Get in there.
Yeah!
Oh, you cowboys and girls, you better prepare those guns. 7x, baby. Let's apply it. I can't believe it, guys. Sprinkle, sprinkle. What are we looking at? 700x. Let's pull this thing, eh? Wow. All right. This is one of the best spaghetti westerns today, guys. Get ready. Got to mix them up a little bit, right? Then we provide the cannon. I mean, you all know the drill. You pick the target. You take a shot. You enjoy. Either way, guys, either way, you're a winner because most of the multipliers are okay. But obviously the best of the best is 700x. Let's try to get it. 3, 2, 1.
This is the amount of money issued 611,321 euros.
Did your hair as well? Or did you have like glasses? Did you have to like dress up as one of them? Guys, if you're new here, welcome to Crazy Time. Hi, I'm Gabby. never saw the... You never saw the films! And I had to work there. I can't believe you. 7X on Crazy Time. Bro, how can you never seen Harry Potter? Ah! Hello, Crazy Time. Excuse me. Let's open the red door. Come with me, guys. Oh, hello there. Welcome to the Crazy Time world. See, it's all because of Harry Potter. I told you. Okay. We got a 7X. What? That's huge. Come on. Let's multiply everything on a wheel. Ooh, this is going to be good. Oh, it better be. All right, guys. But before we spin, we do have some very important decisions we have to make, okay? Got 3 lovely flappers, 3 lovely colors, yellow, blue, and green. So I have to choose one of those colors. Make sure to do that. Whew. Okay, guys. I wish every single one of you best of luck. The highest multiplier is 700x. Here we go. Let's see what we can get here, okay? We got a double on the green one. What's that? Slytherin. Okay, we got double on the green one. Let's double everything, which means the highest multiplier now is going to be 1,000 and 400x. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Here we go.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,231,568 euros.
Well, welcome back. 8,799 winners. Well, that was fun. I'm Siri. Very welcome to place your best for the next round. If you wish to participate, I'm wishing you the best of luck. Hey, how you been? Let's catch up. Are you enjoying this day so far? How's your weekend? Best first and good luck telling you, dear ladies and gentlemen. 10x in a cash out up Topslot. That sounds spicy. Can we do it? Wishing you the best of luck. Let's see. The wheel is starting to slow down, and the next winning outcome that we're going for is gonna be, well, that cash hunt. Can you see that? Wow, cash hunt. Ladies and gentlemen, to the cash hunt we go with a 10x multiplier with us. Isn't this incredible? Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how this goes. I'm almost lost for words, so look at that. Up to the 100x, but wait for it. Where's the 10x from the Topslot? Right here it is, and all the multipliers multiplied by the 10x as a result to that, up to that 1,000x. So my B. So let's do some shuffling. While that is happening, sit back, relax, enjoy the moment. Perhaps already start to come up with some strategies that will help you to make your decision in the future here. Cash hunt. Well, ladies and gentlemen, right here, right now, speaking of the said choice, you gotta try to find out where could potentially that 1,000x multiplier might be hidden. Could it be the bunny? If yes, which bunny? If it could be the bird, then which bird in particular? Well, you're welcome to go.
This is the amount of money issued: 640,751 euros.
In the middle, down on the bottom. Well, amazing job. Congratulations to all the winners, especially 537 winners of you who did indeed manage to get that 1,000x multiplier. Incredible. Congratulations to 583 winners in total. 5,083 winners.
So look at that. Welcome everyone to the cash and bonus round. But you guys, this is not our random one. We brought a little something. So 100 is the highest one at the moment. And let's put 5x on top of all of it. So 500 is the highest one. We got 500. We got 375. We got 100. Oh, we got a lot of beautiful multipliers. And I love them all. So let's shuffle all the beautiful thingies. And now, bid time. starts. Now let's go. Please use all your magical powers. And now we will find out quickly who's the lucky one here. Are you guys suerte or are you malas? Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued 42,574 euros.
Lines. 5 got 556, got 375, and got 1,375 round winners. What is your multi? Tell me, what did you guys get? What did you get? I've got 100. Beautiful, Martinique. Beautiful. What? 35. There was 35. You sure? Thinking 500 bingo plus. 150. 250.
Although I don't think I think I'm too selfish to even have kids, because I would resent those little creatures for spending my money. Ew. The bets are closed. Look. So you're telling me that I can buy myself a dress? And instead of that, there's a child that needs food? Let it starve. Woohoo! It's a pachinko of a multiplier of 10. Nice! Let's go. Let's go party people! Woo-hoo! Come on, let's get a nice multiplier. Let's see what we are getting. We have a multiplier of 2. And we have a 3, 7, 10, 20, 35, 50, and a double. Woo! And we have a Topslot of 10. Yes, we do. Let's go! Let's go double those multipliers up. Why not? Let's go get the double. The highest multiplier is 500. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 162,175 euros.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.